Kweke yo, my country people. This one not be video for inside film o. E happen live and direct for inside Kano. This one na Nigerians wey hunger and frustration don finish o. Na him come make dem come hold this small of truck o wey carry food wey dey waka im own jejely o. For inside obodo Nigeria, we get over 200 million people. We be say all our mind dey on top oil export o. We be say the money don even fall today come become chickly money o. 70% of people wey dey for inside obodo Nigeria dey live below $1 in a day. The coronavirus pandemic don really show people pepper o, so tey their life can't even tire them o. The ones wey be say they get something wey they do before, they no come dey fit dey see money dey shop again. Say because government don talk say make we stay inside house and make we stay away from people. But this man wey be say he get family to take care of, but he no go fit still o. Come say him prefer to die of coronavirus o than to die of hunger virus for inside Abuja.
I get children, I get wife. No money I can't find to chop. No money, nothing. You tell us keep for us, Baba. What do you want more do? Nothing. When I fear hunger virus pass coronavirus.
Now the same Tori na him make hungry people come hold this small truck o. Say they have not mind to stay away o, but they prefer to go find something wey be say they go fit use to survive. I wey dey cry dey see road o my people. Our federal government don come and come talk o for inside obodo Nigeria. Say they don give us 70,000 tons of food o to people, but some people never still get. Even our custom don bring am many bags of rice o take give all the state make dem fit go share. But governor for Oyo State don come and come dey shout o. Say this rice wey dem dey give people dey chop o, say e no good o. Now people come dey fear say because of some youth o dey vex, e dey angry say because say dem no see food to take chop o, dem come dey commit crime make dem fit stay survive. Say down look una dog name o. Our Nigeria olopa dem don beat their chest come talk say make una fear, make una ten sion. Say because anything that has to do with security, say they stand gidigba, even if say na insurgency or be herdsmen, or be kidnapping or banditry. For inside Lagos, so people no come fit dey sleep again o. So tey na dem come dey do vigilante for themselves to prevent hungry and angry youth wey be say dey cause gbege for inside the obodo Lagos o.
Hello Nigerians.
Hey, this one sweet my belle no be small. Government don come and come talk say dem go give am 500 billion naira make e for help people wey be say where dem for dey take the shop don close o.
COVID-19 federal government they want to kill us.
This one for the mind of the people. Wuruwuru wey dem dey call corruption don really chop deep for inside COVID-19 pandemic o by our government officials wey dey for inside obodo Nigeria. When life go come back to normal to these people, na only God na him know. This one come be two ways of life o. Say for inside obodo Nigeria, politicians dey go carry plenty food to come give people when e reach time for election. But now wey be say the people need the food, they no consider break light.
We don't see the evidence or impact of the so-called palliative. They are only in the media. I'm telling you, because we go around these communities and the shanties to be able to take care of them. We buy food on our own and cook them and assemble people to distribute. We don't see the impact of the so-called palliative from government.
This na man of the world. Reporting Nigeria Today for Pidgin News Network.